Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's deal video, I'm going to show you how you can save a lot of money with these $10 General Cleaning Supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, October 14th. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post $2 General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, I'm especially excited to hear your response to tonight's question. I want you to take a moment and leave me a comment down below. I want to know, do you have any couponing goals or milestones that you're working towards? Let's hear about your couponing ambitions. For me personally, I am working on building my stockpile of toilet paper, paper towels, and oddly enough, white vinegar. I've been using it on nearly everything in my house, and I really want to build a stockpile for it. Now, also, make sure you share this deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there, because we could all use some extra savings, right? That way I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, first off, we're going to do a super easy laundry supplies coupon deal. I love doing deals like this that have like a variety of different items to do all of our laundry needs. So for this one, grab 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent. My personal favorite is I like the bottle with OxiClean for obvious reasons. And I also like the one with the purple cap. I don't know if they're still purple, but it's like an odor blasters one. Awesome product. Then grab 1 medium gain fireworks, a 240 count box of Bounce dryer sheets, and 1 of the Airwick oil warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.20 plus tax for a 63% off savings. Now, I just thought of something completely random. I heard a while back that Tide, which is basically like, well, you know, Bounce and Gain are both P&G brand products. Why is it that the larger box of Gain dryer sheets is only 200 count and the Bounce ones are 240 count? Why have I never thought of that before? Random things you think about. Speaking of Tide, for this next deal, grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 35 count tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 Lysol air sanitizer, and 1 of the Finish jet dry cleaners. If you use Finish jet dry, please let this be your sign to stock up. With these $2 coupons, it's such a fabulous opportunity to add it into your stockpile for super cheap. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.50 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Here's another not only good Tide Pods deal, but laundry pods in general if you want to stock up. So for this one, grab 2 of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners. I've been really trying over the last couple weeks to remember to incorporate them into my coupon deals, which oddly enough, I'm actually out of it upstairs in my bathroom. So I need to remember to go down to my stockpile. Then grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 small bag of regular Tide Pods, and a small bag of Gain Flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.45 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Now, this week, we have a lot of really amazing air freshener coupons, some super high value ones. So if you want to stock up, especially with the holiday season right around the corner, we always like our houses to smell extra fabulous when friends and family are coming to visit. This will be a really great deal for you to do. So grab one 2-count pack of the Febreze plug-in refills, one single count pack of the Febreze plug-in refills, an Airwick oil warmer, a single count pack of Febreze small spaces, and a single count pack of Febreze car clips. After all coupons, y'all, the total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $5 even plus tax. For an amazing, and I haven't gotten to do this in a while, you know I'm going to do it, 81% off savings. I'm especially excited for this deal. Now, y'all, cold and flu cootie season is almost upon us, and we don't want to not have these disinfecting products to help make our lives a little bit easier and help prevent our other family members from catching it. So we got to stock up, and we have some super great coupons for it. So for this one, grab a 2-count pack of the Clorox disinfecting wipes. This is the 35-count tub. 2 of the Lysol air sanitizers. I'm super excited. We got 2 different $3 off coupons. So you best believe I'm going to tell you this is a great time to stock up on it. And then grab a 35-count tub of the Lysol disinfecting wipes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.45 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Oh, I am most definitely doing this one because the cold and flu cooties, I think it was just a 24-hour bug, came to visit our house despite the fact that just 2 weeks ago I was sick. I had to pick up my kiddo from school, and y'all, the fear that was upon me the day before when I went to pick him up from school and one of the other kids walked out of the school coughing, I'm like, oh no. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm going to do a Lysol and Clorox disinfecting deal this week for sure. Now, here's a little bit of a variation on my previous Laundry Pods coupon deal. Grab one bag of Tide Power Pods, one small bag of Gain Flings, one small bag of regular Tide Pods, and this time grab 1 pack of the Bic Soleil razors. This is a great high value coupon. It tends to be one of my favorite filler items when I'm trying to score a low out of pocket. After all coupons this time, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.45 plus tax for a 59% off savings. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I am having a personal goal where I'm trying to build up a paper towel stockpile, especially going into the winter season. I don't know what it is about paper towels. No matter what I do, I am almost always out of it. So I really am trying to focus on building the stockpile. So if you're like me, paper towels, especially the 2-count pack, is a really, really great and easy filler item for other deals. So for this one, grab a 2-count pack of Febreze small spaces, a 2-count pack of Brawny paper towels, a small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh, medium Gain Fireworks, and one of those single-count packs of Febreze car clips. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.70 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Now, you're getting a lot of great cleaning supplies, and you can easily add that pack of paper towels right into your stockpile. Now, I've been doing these couponing deals for 3 years now, and I can't tell you how many times I've incorporated the Febreze car clips into my couponing deals, and I've always known that there was a single count pack and there was a 2-count pack. But y'all, for the first time this week, I realized that they now have a 3-count pack, and it's only $7. Super, super cheap deal, especially with that $2.30 coupon, and I would love it. I want y'all to raise your hand down below in the comments and let me know if you also didn't know this 3-count pack. I mean, if you do the price per car clip, when a 2-count is only $5.50 and we get a third one for only $1.50 more, it's a great buy. So this one, grab a 3-count pack of the Febreze car clips, a small bottle of Downy Rinse or Fresh, medium Gain Fireworks, and one of the 105-count boxes of Gain dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.15 plus tax for a 57% off savings. Now, with my personal stockpile, another thing that I've been trying to work on adding into my stockpile is definitely the car air fresheners. Like I mentioned before, I have a little one in preschool. I spend a lot of time in my car doing preschool drop-off and pickup. And y'all, I want my car smelling fabulous. If I'm going to be spending that much time in there, I want it to smell really good. So I've been trying to build up my stockpile. Speaking of cold and flu cooties, another great item if you want to stock up, especially if you're like me and you have young kiddos and you have to disinfect all those little toys, stock up on the Clorox Bleach. We have a great $2 off 2 coupon for it, so this is a great chance for us to get it. So grab 2 of the 43-ounce size bottles of Clorox Bleach, a 2-count pack of Febreze plug-in refills, a single-count pack of those Febreze plug-in refills, and then finally a Febreze car clip, the 1-count pack. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.05 plus tax for a 63% off savings. Now, not only are we getting some great air fresheners, but y'all, we're getting 2 bottles of bleach on top of this. Such a fabulous cleaning supplies deal here. I know at the beginning of the deal video, I mentioned that one of my personal goals is I'm trying to build up my toilet paper and paper towel stockpile. But another one, I've mentioned this a couple times, another one I'm trying to work on is definitely my dishwasher pod collection. I had a pretty decent collection built up, and then 2020 happened, and we were all stuck in our houses, and I washed an insane amount of dishes, and I blew through my entire stash. It was so sad. Like, any couponer knows, you can say, oh, I'm down to just 2 containers. But that's still 2 No, that's bad. That's bad. And now I'm completely out and I've been paying full price. I know, that's bad. So we're going to stock up. For this one, grab 1 tub of the Cascade Platinum Packs, 1 Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, one of those Dawn Easy Squeeze bottles, a Airwick oil warmer, and then a single count pack of Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.50 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Now, I know I've mentioned this several times, and I try to remember to include it anytime I incorporate one of these Dawn Easy Squeeze, but if you get this deal, I highly encourage you to save the bottle. Peel the labels off if you want, thoroughly clean it, and you can totally refill it. I've been refilling my bottle for the better part of the last year and a half, and I absolutely love it. Another great place, by the way, to have it is keep a small bottle in your laundry room. This would be a really great size, and you can use it for stain pre-treating. It's so great at doing that. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like, on average, this list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pocket deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.